Hi, welcome to Market Alert for Monday, 23rd of April 2018. So the pound Friday, you can see the market moving lower below the 20 bar average there. A bit of buying there trying to bring the market back, but that's just as the market kicks off in the UK, and then they try and support the market, but eventually it continues to fall. But then you see this buying here that brings the market back above the psychological level there of 140.52, the usual, and then up until we approach the resistance to the left and also the previous day's close. And then once it breaks below the low on the pivot point, you'll see the market move lower, and then it finds support at the support one. And then it's up and then down to the psychological level of 140 on the overnight, Sunday overnight. So the market at the moment just pulling off this slightly. In the daily chart, again, we can see that prices are lower through the 76%, and this area here, 139 at 65. It's got to hold above the 140 really. Just want to put some rolling fibs in, and then we'll just move up for a couple more just to see how things pan out. And there's also going to be resistance there, and there we have areas of potential resistance there if the market does turn around and start to move back towards the upside. What have we got news wise today? Well, nothing, even though there's a lot there. It's all medium impact, so not really worth a jot. It doesn't seem to move the market these days. And then in the Dow, this down again on Friday. You can see they're selling, trying to bring it back. Market stays below the 20 bar average there, comes back up towards it here at the psychological level of 24,600, which is just here. Once it broke this, it was straight down to the support one, this green faded line, and then you've got the psychological level there of 24,400 as well. Then we get a bit of a buy, get a retest back at that support level, which is why this signal here, you can see it's got to contend with not only the psychological level but also the support line off the pivot points as well. The market then turns around, starts to trade up, goes back to the 24,500 level before selling off again before the close. And in the daily charts, you can see that we've got the market down for Friday. Again, the volume isn't great, there's not much on the selling front, and it's bounced up on the start of the Sunday session as well. So let me just remove this one. You'll see the market there is just above at the moment above the 76% at 24,521. Will it remain above this level? Only time will tell as we go through today. So I'm just going to adjust this because we've got a new low there that we can attach to. It's not the best at all, this. It's a horrible trend line actually. Let me just adjust this and see if we can come off this one. It would be a bit better. That's more like it. So there we go. So we've got a new low that's being made here, and really the market 76% needs to take out this, and then of course the rest is already been in place. So we'll see if the market can bounce off this area here during today's session, but like I say, there's not an awful lot of news around today for this market or the pound. Meanwhile, in Bitcoin, this continues to move higher, moved higher over the weekend and continues to do so overnight, attempting to move up to this area here of 9,218. 9,000 going to be the main area. It hasn't been there for some time. Certainly the beginning of March was the last time it was at 9,000. Will we get another correction? I don't know, but at the moment it's moving to the upside, that's for sure. Yesterday's price action, very quiet, and then we were hit with some selling at the high from from Saturday, and then down, a lot of volume, straight back up, back to the high again, and then sold off again and traded between the two, and then has managed to pull back up above this on the overnight as well. So again, you can see at the moment starting to move back towards the upside there, and the same in the 4-hour chart as well. At the moment the market continuing to move to the upside there. Right, that will do it for this one. Main markets, no major news out today, which would leave the Dow able to move higher. Also watch the pound after the last few days of down, could see a bit of a bounce there as well. Bitcoin continuing to move to the upside unless some major selling comes in to slam the market back down. Right, that's it for this one. If there's anything to report, I will let you know. Other than that, have a good day and see you in the next one.